Hi folks, welcome back. Now, sorry it's been a wee while, but as you can probably tell with my voice, I'm still a bit hoarse. I've had man flu, so I was laid up for a few days and I've just not been feeling up to it since. So anyway, back to the videos. I lost a load of footage from the SD card. So don't ask me how it's happened, but the SD card's actually snapped, and obviously I've lost all the data on it. Unless somebody knows a way you can actually extract the data from a snapped SD card, but it's like snap. I don't know whether it's been when I've been pushing it into the GoPro or whatever, but anyway, it snapped. So I lost a lot of footage, so hence the hole's already in the van. The footage that was on was the cutting the hole in the van and the marking out and whatever. So anyway, it's done now, so just drilling the holes in the van here, and we'll get some primer and we'll prime it up. This is the hole for the exhaust for the Truma heater. I'm one of these Truma Combis. So obviously you've got your exhaust through here, so I'll take these inside and show you inside as well when I'm done with it, but I'll go and get the primer for now. That's that Sika primer, same stuff as I used for the windows. Not got much left, but I've got enough just to sort of do the holes that I've drilled and the cut holes. Again, I cut it with a nibbler, so it's a very clean finished edge. You see, I'm still coughing, I'm still quite chesty, so anyway, let's say this Sika primer is really good. It dries really quick and it seems to do exactly what it says on the tin, so it's anyway, we'll get on with other bits and pieces. I see I've still got the water tank filler to put in the side of the van as well, which is going further along to the right, about another sort of metre and a half to the right of me. That'll be the filler for the cold water, the fresh water tank, so I'll get on with that as well. And then the last hole that I will have is the filler for the LPG, because I'm going to put an underslung LPG tank, but as I don't know where it's going yet, I'm not 100% sure what tank I'm going to use, whether to go for the one on the spare wheel carrier or whether just to go for the normal sort of torpedo one that I normally fit. So I'll bring you in and just show you where we're, as you can see, just wrapped around the, I'll take you inside. There you go, primer on the inside. The piece of timber at the left there is just a temporary support for the bed, the seating. See, you've seen the windows. These little windows are fantastic, by the way. I'm really pleased with them. And this is a sort of a rough, just brought that these are the cushions from my garden seating. So you see I made up a little pass-truss that the exhaust can screw into, so just jammed it against it with a piece of, stuck a bit of Sikaflex behind it, and there's Simba out in the van there, out in the alley, sorry. So come in, line up there, as you can see there's the arrow in the top which goes to the top. It's because obviously the flue points up inside so that any water doesn't run back up into the heater. Clever design, to be honest, but yeah. So just, it comes with self-tappers, so just use the self-tappers that's in it. It comes with a gasket, but I've also put some butyl tape behind it as well, as I normally do. It's really good stuff, the butyl tape. I really like it. It's the way it squeezes out and whatnot, it is decent stuff. Again, when it's finished and everything's, I'll put another bit of Sikaflex round, just as like a dress finish. Just stops any crap getting behind. So, but yeah, so I'm still having issues with the computer and the GoPro. I think it's the GoPro settings. So I'm waiting at a friend of mine is quite clued up on them, so he's going to come and have a look at it for me and just see what, because I can't understand why on my last load of videos I had no issues whatsoever. I used to just bring the GoPro up, plug it into, take the SD card out, plug it into the computer, and everything would come and just go, no problem. Now I'm having to render every time I put some footage on. It's all jumpy and juddery. I don't know, obviously it's a setting. As I say, I'm not really computer literate, so I'm more illiterate. But anyway, that is what it is. But we'll get there in the end up, that's all that matters. And you can sort of roughly see where we're going and the direction the van's taking. So I say we've got the LPG thing to put on, we've got the water filler to put on, and then there's a max air fan going on the roof. So, and then obviously the solar panel, but the solar panel will be fitting to the roof rack. So we're getting on with different bits and pieces. And then the big one, we'll try and get the bed sorted out. It's having a bit of a unique bed which is being engineered. So all will be revealed in time. As you can see there, that's the butyl tape. It squeezes out, so just let it continue to squeeze, and once it's finished, basically just run it with a little spatula, take off the excess, and then put a trim finish of Sikaflex. As you can see, the wee pencil pen mark there, that just wipes off. You can see the dents above there, they were on the van when I got it. Somebody's obviously clobbered the gate post, but we'll deal with them. I've got most of the dent out on it, but we'll sort it when we sort it. Anyway, that's all for now, folks. So I'll let you see when we're doing any other interesting stuff. So if you like the wee video, give us a like and a subscribe. From me and Simba, ta-ra for now.